Back to another vlog. So today I'm just kind of like organizing, going through my inventory and cutting ribbon to have ready for me to work on some ribbon pins. And so yeah, it is midnight already, so I'm gonna call it a day and we'll pick up tomorrow. And we'll continue cutting because I still have all of this to cut. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go through this and cut it, but it's a different size. So again, I'm just going right now, I'm cutting the 7/8, 3/8, and 5/8, a specific size, putting all of that away. And then we'll go into the 1.5" ribbon and cut all of that. So yeah. Okay, good night, see you tomorrow. It's been a couple days since I last recorded, and you guys, I really got into the zone of cleaning and organizing my inventory and everything that I forgot to record. But let me show you though how my table looks, because I'm hoping it stays like that. Okay, right now the last thing is I'm going through all of my flowers and putting those away and everything. So yeah, main workspace. And do you see how nice it is? It's all nice, clean, and everything's put away. I'm hoping it stays like that for a while, because the creative process can sometimes get a little messy. But anyways, also this is the cart that I was trying to organize the other day. So basically I put all of my ribbon scraps here, and the goal was to go through this section first before I went through my other ribbon bins, but it started getting really messy, and that's why I decided to use my cutting machine and pre-cut all of the ribbon. And I guess let me flip it the other way. Everything's already pre-cut a certain size, and I think it turned out really good. That way I can come here first and grab that before I use, like I said, the other ribbon. And yeah, this little section though, it's not, I still need to go through this, but I didn't really want to cut it yet because I could use this for other things. So I just used that bin for extras that I'll organize later. But yeah, all of these 4 ones are pre-cut a certain size. If you guys want like a video showing you guys how this works, this is the name of the brand, Blade Master. I got this on Amazon a couple months ago. They do sell bigger cutting machines for you to be able to cut your ribbon. However though, I don't have the space, so I'm using this tiny one. But as you saw the other day, you could put a couple ribbon rolls in here. And yeah, so yeah, let me know and I can definitely make a video showing you how this works. I got a new business card, so I designed these a couple months ago and I ordered more this year. So this is how it looks, super cute. And oh yeah, let me show you my website, because I also have been working on updating that, and I'm trying to work really hard on branding. So I got a logo made along with a YouTube intro thing. The animator is working on that, so yeah, I'm waiting on that. But yeah, business cards are, oh yeah, I got them printed from Vistaprint. So yeah, this is how the website looks so far. And yeah, I love the logo. And yeah, I'm just trying to like work on branding right now, and I've just been editing everything, creating highlights and stuff. Even though I heard that Instagram's gonna take them away, I'm like, no. But yeah, okay, so I think today the plan is to put the flowers away, and then tomorrow I'll come in and we'll start cutting some glitter cardstock. Little cutting area right now, and I'm gonna start cutting some glitter to cardstock to make some pacifiers. And we're gonna be making these little elephant cutouts because I have some stickers that I want to use. And let's set everything up. Done today. I will take pictures tomorrow, but they should be up on the shop by the time I post this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.